Okay, yes, the chassis has been taken out and it looks really, really good. I know you're concerned about those rusting points, but the chassis is very nice. You can see how leveled it is on the floor, and they already took the measurements, the triangulation in there, and the chassis looks really, really good. So you have none to worry about the chassis. Okay, so we just have to work a little bit on the cleanup, and we're gonna of course sand it to the metal, and then you see that's the difference. This P7, all this damage, we have to take it out, but I don't know if you see, that is a good product. That P7, that's a paint, and that has protected most of the chassis. We don't do it in this part, we do it in the inside. The P7, okay? We don't put it outside. But we put this just the regular matte black. All right. We do the P7 on the inside of the cabin. So that's a different baby. And this is your axle. Looks very good. And a lot of cleanup to do. And this is going to be nice and clean as well. We haven't opened these babies too. We assume they're going to be good. Shouldn't be a problem. So we're almost there, buddy. We're almost there to be able to diagnose every single problem. This is the level we want to get your chassis to, you see. That is an FJ40. It's a little bigger than yours. You know, you can see it's a little wider, you know, as well. But that's a longer vehicle. But that's the level you wanna be at, and that's where we're gonna get. Don't worry. We're taking off the brackets that support the leaf springs, so we can have that axle all nice and free as well to work on it. So everything gets out and realigned and retested. But they're looking very good shape. When we are grinding this by hand, you can see all the corrosion points, areas are, that's the original, this is the new. So we're taking everything out, as you can see. It's kind of a lengthy job, but really necessary. Look at how beautiful it comes out. And then after this comes the coating and all that stuff. So buddy, it's looking really good, and you'll see at the end, it's only the first day of work. Look at that. This is the axle, the front axle, being done by hand, every single point. It's a long way to go, but it's gonna look like brand spanking new. Yeah, this corrosion has reached some areas critical, but we're gonna replace all those areas. So, and the rest is not bad. We just have to do a little treatment on the upper part. like there and there. Those two are important. They support a lot of weight.